In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve or fix if your speakers are not working on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in troubleshoot. Best result should say troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the right side, select additional troubleshooters. And then underneath get up and running, select playing audio, find and fix problems with playing sound, and then proceed to run the troubleshooter. I do want to note that just let this proceed and see if it finds and detects anything. If you are using external speakers, make sure they're turned on and turned up as well, and they have a good connection to your device. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.